Hi, I'm Amy Golay. I'm a first grade teacher in Garden City, Kansas, and this next coming school year will be my fifth year teaching. I am in instructional technology master's program right now, and I am graduating in December 2019, so I'm almost there. Um, let's see, some goals I have are to stay on track with my classes, especially this summer. I am taking 9 credit hours this summer. I kind of am hesitant and thinking I might be a little crazy, but I'm really trying to get it done before my wedding next spring. So, my big goal is to stay on track with all of my assignments and making sure I'm getting them all done and I'm not stressing myself out. So far this week, I haven't done a very good job about it. So, here's to hoping week 2 is smoother sailing for me because, yeah, that was a big fail. Um, I also just have goals of, you know, I know this sounds very cliche, but just learning more. So far, I have loved all of my master's classes because I've just learned so much, in particularly with the Google Suite. I learned so much last semester with my Google class. So I'm just really looking forward to things that I'm learning. I get so much from all of you guys. Through our discussion boards. I love kind of stealing your ideas and seeing what you guys are doing with your classrooms and whatnot. Um, Overall, instructional technology or technology in the classroom, I feel like I am doing pretty good. I'm definitely the tech guru per se in my building. Um, I do have one-to-one iPads in my first grade classroom. And so I have a lot of teachers who come and ask me for advice or help or different apps that I use that they would be able to use that are for free. But of course, there's always so much with technology constantly changing for me to continually to learn. So, yeah. So that's kind of where I am with instructional technology. And overall, like I said, this is going to be my fifth year teaching. Overall, I'm not burned out by any means. I always said that if I went back to get my master's, I wanted to get it into something that I was passionate about and that I actually see myself doing in the future if that day would come that I was ready to move on from being in the classroom setting. I never want to be a principal or instructional coach or anything like that. Um, but I did, want to pursue a master's. I just had to figure out what it was that I wanted to do. And so I can definitely see myself kind of heading up a school district's technology program or department. I think that I would really enjoy that just because of how passionate I am with tech ed. So that's kind of why I decided to go with this program. But yes, I look forward to working with you all and learning with you all and kind of bouncing ideas around. So that's it.